Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the next part, that is a taskbar. The long part, what is taskbar? The long taskbar, which is present at the bottom of the desktop, is known as a taskbar. Taskbar, which shows a task of the application that you are currently working on. Here you can look at the screen, please. Please have observation on the screen. This white strip, this white color strip is called as a, or this horizontal white color task view, task bar is called taskbar, which shows the different application tasks that is you are currently working on. For example, right now I am working on WhatsApp, then some notification, Google Documents, File Explorer, and Zoom. Okay, so that's showing me a different types of task to me. Okay, and that is why it is called as a taskbar, task view. Okay, so let's see. So which are the, there are different types of taskbar. There are different parts of the taskbar. We have to see one by one. This first part, that is a start button. It is the first part of taskbar. It is start button, which is used to show a different power settings. Then the powers switch, that is switch on, switch off computer, settings, pictures, documents, or login screen, and then all application details like this, and tiled application, pinned applications details. So that is the use of start button to start the different application, whether it is pinned application or all apps applications. Okay. Next part, that is type to search. Second part of the taskbar. Type to search means you have to type something in that particular area, in that particular control button. So for example, I have typed Microsoft. Okay, and here there are different types of application of Microsoft here. Microsoft News, Outlook, Storage, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Picture Manager, etc. Okay, so you can search the different application and you can open your application from here. Okay, by single click of the mouse. Then second part, that is, so just click single click and you can open the your application. Second option, that is a view button, task view button. Okay, so second part, that is a task view button, which is used to launch a different application like this. If you click on the task view, you can see different tasks of the application. Okay, next, that is a quick launch icons. This is a quick launch icon to show a fast access. You can easily access different application using this control. This control is called as a quick access launch icons to access your application as fast as it could be. Okay, next part, that is a notification area. Okay, so next part, that is a notification. So this is a notification area. This is called as a notification. Here you will get all the notification regarding setting, network connection, even tablet modes. You can on your tablet mode like this. You can off your tablet mode. If you want any updation messages, general setting, uh, that general software updations, all notification, even virus threats, you will get all notification through the notification area. Then network connections, etc. Whatever you have hardware part you have connected externally, you will get all information here. The next part, that is a customization of taskbar. How to customize the taskbar? Simply you have to just right click on the taskbar and you can customize. Just right click on taskbar setting and you will have all the customization of taskbar. For example, I want to lock the taskbar. So you can see the taskbar will be locked after that. Yeah. Let's see the effects. Here you can see cannot do anything now. Now again automatically hide. Get the changes. Lock the taskbar. You can see there is no option. Whenever I click on the taskbar, there is no action because I have locked the taskbar. Okay, just off it and you can see now I will get all the options on the taskbar because I have off the taskbar. Now, next option, that is, for example, background. I want to change some backgrounds or colors. I can change my background colors, lock screen themes, general themes I can change. Even I can change the taskbar setting also. Lock the taskbar, same settings, automatically hide the taskbar, etc. And I can change the start setting also. I can show more tiles on the start. If I want to show these tiles, you can see the changes. These are called as the tiles. These all are tiles. Okay. If I want to hide these tiles, I can hide through the show more tiles on the start. I want to off it. Now there will be very short information always displayed on the tiles. Okay, and now I will off all the settings of the start and look at the what will happen to the start. I will currently I off all the start option and look at this. Even I'm clicking on the start, all start options are disabled now. Okay, and even I have changed all the tiles format. You can see first it was showing on the screen, complete screen, and now it is showing on the with very small boxes, small icons. Okay, like this. Okay, now again we switch on all the settings of the. You can see. So that is the difference when you change the settings. Let's change the backgrounds of the screen. I want to change the slideshow of the solid color I want. I want to browse some pictures also. And you can see I have changed the background colors. I want to change the screen some themes also. I want to apply some themes. I want to change the background themes. And here you can change the background themes also like this. Okay. So you can see the changes. I have changed the screensaver also. Even I want to change some login screen. I can change my login screen also. Here is my login screen. I want to change this login screen and the login will appear like this. Okay. Let's check out the login screen. Here is the power option to use to sleeping. It will make a use a power saving, shut down it directly, shut down the PC and it will restart the system. How I want, okay. So we want to switch user. So we will take some separate session to make a switching between the user. Okay, so these are the restart or shutdown options through which you can cross check whether your login screen is changed or not. Okay. let's check out. I am signing out it, logging off, and again I want to sign in.